Okay, I'm going to show you something really, really dumb that California has. These goddamn truckers. All right, let them go. At least he had a sense to signal. Some truck drivers don't even signal anymore. They just cut, and if they do signal, they just cut right over. He would have waited for me to pass him, but anyway, regardless, see all this stuff? This is usually because they have a light, an actual stoplight on the on-ramp, and many Californians know this. I don't know if the ramp is on, or the ramp light is on or not, but this is, you know, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Yeah, the light is on. So you have a light on the freeway that tells you to stop and go, stop and go. You see those flashing lights right there? That tells you you have a red light to let, you know, anywhere from 1 to 3 cars on the freeway. And that's because Californians don't know how to drive. They don't know how to enter a freeway, an on-ramp. They actually slow down instead of speeding up. They put on brakes, and you know, Californians are just very, very ignorant when it comes to getting on a freeway on-ramp. They do not know how to do it. And you know, New York had this in the 70s, and even Nevada had it, but they abolished it because look at this guy. He's stopping over here. What is he doing? That's what I'm saying. Look, this guy don't know where he's going. Which way you want to go, dude? Now I'm talking like a surfer. But this is what I'm talking about, how ignorant the people are out here. Now, of course, he's not going to use a signal light, but that goes without saying. Everybody else does out here and everywhere else. But California is, you know, I am down on California. I just can't stand it. The drivers must have all went to the same school when they learned how to drive, because they all love to tailgate. They all love to do 100 miles an hour. And I know other states are like that too, but these morons, you know, they take the cake, I'll be honest. And they are the only ones in the United States that have the red lights, the green lights on an actual freeway or highway. No one else has that. This guy will go right through the red light because he's special, okay? I'll do a full stop, and if somebody beeps the horn, yeah, see, somebody beeped the horn behind me just now and telling me to go. You know, I usually tell them if I get on the side of them, I tell them to go fuck themselves, you know? But you got to watch what you say to people nowadays because you can actually get killed over it. You know, people are so soft. They can't take, you know, an argument. They can't take, well, you know, screw you, F this, F that. They get so hurt. And they automatically, if they have a weapon, they'll use it. And these are, you know, people anywhere really, not just here. But so I'm just trying to finish up this inspection job here in California and get back to Pahrump, Nevada. I can't stand it driving out here. It cost me what did it cost me? It cost me $85 to get here. Usually it used to cost about $50. Now it's $85. And so 85, you know, when I came out on Sunday, and then I got another, you know, some gas the other day for $25, and that didn't do nothing. So this morning, I filled up my tank, and it cost me $75, around $75 to $80 for 13 gallons. So, you know, California is for shit when it comes to those prices also. And that was at an Arco. I try and look for Arco. I will not go to Shell. Shell is the worst. Chevron's bad too. They're all bad, but Arco is the cheapest. And I don't mind buying the other cheap gas, the no-name brand, because a lot of people don't know that the truck that delivers to Arco will go right across the street and deliver to the no-name station. A lot of people don't realize that. All right, guys, let me get off this this recording. I might get stopped by a cop, and I'm not looking in the camera at all. I'm just, you know, holding it up, and whatever the camera sees, that's fine. But I'm not looking in the camera whatsoever. As you can see, the dashboard and the steering wheel are right there. So I'm not that short of a driver. You know, I'm not a midget. Oops. I hope I didn't hurt anybody or offend anybody by saying midget. How about a short person? Will that make you guys happy? All right, guys, take care. Have a great day. It's Tommy Team California. Oh, man, I want to go home. Bad. Take it easy, guys.